straight from Granger.com. I think that'll work. That is a solid piece of steel. And I got the hardened stuff too. I didn't get the cheap stuff. That's a chunk of metal right there. So as much as I would like to work on the car right now, I have to yet again fix the rotisserie frame. We'll dive right into that right after the intro. Well, that took forever. Whoa, wait, hold on. Well, that took forever. Yeah, that one's kind of bent too, so we're gonna have to find new hardware. Might be able to reuse the longer one. It's a little bent, not that bad. This one is definitely not reusable. What I still kind of suspect is this chunk of tubing in here is gonna be